Welcome to the world of Twitch. Twitch is, well, the place to be for live streaming. It's a dynamic platform that has revolutionized how we consume and interact with content. It's a vibrant community where gamers, artists, and enthusiasts connect. Whether you're into gaming, music, art, or just chatting, there's something for everyone. People watch to be entertained, learn new things, and be part of a community. From live gaming sessions to creative art streams, the variety is endless. The platform's popularity comes from its focus on interaction. Viewers can engage with streamers through chat, emotes, and even live polls. Streamers can chat with viewers in real time, building a strong bond. This real-time interaction creates a unique and personal experience for both the streamer and the audience. This sense of community is what sets Twitch apart. It's not just about watching, it's about participating and feeling like you're part of something bigger. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a casual hobbyist, Twitch welcomes everyone. The platform is inclusive and diverse, catering to a wide range of interests and backgrounds. It's a place where passion meets opportunity and monetization is within reach. Streamers can earn through subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships, turning their hobbies into potential careers. So dive in, explore, and become part of this ever-growing community. Whether you're here to watch or to stream, Twitch offers endless possibilities. Welcome to the world of Twitch, where every stream is a new adventure waiting to unfold. Setting up your Twitch channel is easy and free. Just head to twitch.tv and sign up. Choose a catchy username that reflects your brand. Next, personalize your channel. Upload a profile picture and banner that represent your content. Write a compelling bio that tells viewers who you are and what you stream. Don't forget to set up your streaming software. OBS Studio and Streamlabs are popular choices that are free to use. They allow you to customize your stream with overlays, alerts, and more. The first step towards monetization is becoming a Twitch affiliate. It's like a rite of passage for aspiring streamers. To qualify, you'll need to meet some requirements. At least 50 followers, 500 total minutes broadcast in the last 30 days, 7 unique broadcast days in the last 30 days, and an average of 3 concurrent viewers. These requirements might seem daunting at first, but they're achievable with dedication. Focus on creating quality content and engaging with your viewers. Consistency is key. Twitch partner status is the ultimate goal for many streamers. It unlocks a wider range of monetization options and provides increased visibility. However, the requirements are significantly higher: stream for 25 hours in the last 30 days, stream on 12 different days in the last 30 days, and have an average of 75 viewers, excluding hosts, raids, and embeds. Becoming a partner is about more than just numbers. Twitch looks for streamers who create high-quality content, foster positive communities, and embody the platform's values. Section 5. Show me the money Twitch revenue streams. In this section, we'll explore the various ways you can turn your passion for streaming into a profitable venture. Once you're an affiliate or partner, you unlock the potential to start earning money on Twitch. This is a significant milestone in your streaming journey. You can start earning money on Twitch through multiple revenue streams, each offering unique opportunities to monetize your content. There are several ways to monetize your channel. Ads. Running ads during your streams is one of the most straightforward methods to generate revenue. Run ads during your streams to generate revenue. Subscriptions. Viewers can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee, providing you with a steady income. Viewers can subscribe to your channel for a monthly fee. This not only supports you financially, but also builds a loyal fan base. Donations. Fans can directly support you through donations. This is a great way for your community to show their appreciation for your content. Sponsorships. Partner with brands to promote products or services. Sponsorships can be highly lucrative and add credibility to your channel. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise to your loyal viewers. Custom merchandise can range from t-shirts to mugs, and it's a fantastic way to engage with your audience. Remember, building a successful Twitch channel takes time and effort. Consistency and dedication are key to growing your audience and increasing your revenue. Don't expect to get rich overnight. It's important to set realistic goals and be patient as you work towards them. Focus on creating engaging content and growing your community organically. Interact with your viewers, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve your streams. Hosting Q&A sessions, playing games with your viewers, and being active on social media can help you build a strong, supportive community. Celebrate milestones with your community and show appreciation for their support. This fosters a positive environment and encourages viewer loyalty. Plan your content ahead of time and keep your streams fresh and exciting. This will keep your audience coming back for more. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on viewer engagement and feedback. With hard work, creativity, and a bit of luck, you can turn your Twitch channel into a successful and rewarding venture. Section 6. Building your audience. Tips for growth. Growing a viewer base is crucial for monetizing your Twitch channel. Here are some tips to attract more viewers. Consistent streaming schedule. Stream regularly so viewers know when to find you online. Engaging content. Play games you're passionate about and interact with your chat. Networking. Collaborate with other streamers and participate in Twitch events. Social media. Promote your stream on social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram. Building a community takes time and effort. Be patient, be consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Section 7. From streamer to entrepreneur. Monetizing your passion. Transitioning from a hobbyist streamer to a full-fledged entrepreneur requires a strategic approach and a business mindset. Once you start seeing a steady stream of viewers and maybe even some income, it's time to think about the business side of streaming. This is where you shift from just having fun to making a sustainable career out of your passion. This includes setting financial goals. Determine how much you want to earn and create a plan. Start by setting short-term and long-term financial goals. Think about what you need to cover your expenses and what you want to save or reinvest into your stream. Managing your income. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Use accounting software or spreadsheets to monitor your financial health. This will help you understand where your money is going and how you can optimize your spending. Investing in your stream. Upgrade your equipment, software, and branding. Investing in high-quality gear and professional branding can significantly enhance the viewer experience and attract more followers. Remember, you're not just a streamer, you're an entrepreneur. This means constantly looking for ways to improve and grow your channel. Engage with your audience, seek feedback, and adapt to changes in the streaming landscape. Treat your channel like a business and make smart decisions to ensure its long-term success. Plan your content schedule, analyze your performance metrics, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities to monetize your passion. With dedication and strategic planning, you can turn your streaming hobby into a thriving business. Section 8. Staying power, the long game on Twitch. Twitch is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but it's important to stay dedicated and passionate about your content. Avoid burnout. Take breaks when you need them, and don't be afraid to experiment. Engage with your community. Respond to chat, host giveaways, and build relationships with viewers. Stay informed. Keep up to date with Twitch's policies and best practices. The most successful streamers are those who genuinely enjoy what they do and connect with their audience authentically. Section 9. Go forth and stream. Monetizing your Twitch channel is an achievable goal with hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. Remember to be patient. Building a successful channel takes time and effort. Be consistent. Stream regularly and create a schedule that works for you. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through and connect with your audience authentically. The world of Twitch awaits. Embrace the challenge, have fun, and let your passion shine through. Happy streaming!